Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this session we will discuss about the what is meant by denaturation of proteins. First of all, we should know what is meant by native proteins. Proteins found in a biological system with unique three-dimensional structure and biological activity is called native proteins. Let us see the diagram. This is the structure of the native proteins. This structure is a three-dimensional structure. Because of the structure, it exhibits biological activity. When a protein in its native form is subjected to physical change like change in temperature or a chemical change like change in pH, the hydrogen bonds are disturbed. Due to this, globules unfold and helix get uncoiled, and proteins loses its biological activity. This is called denaturation of proteins. Do you understand this point? When proteins in a native form is subjected to physical change, suppose the native protein is heated or change in chemical change like change in pH, the hydrogen bonds are disturbed. So because of the hydrogen bonds will disturb, the globules will be unfold and helix get uncoiled. So this is called as a denaturation of proteins. This is the structure of the protein when we are subjected to either physical or chemical change. So these globules will be unfold. It becomes denatured. So see in the structure, the native proteins contains hydrogen bondings. So because of the applying some heat energy, otherwise we are changing some chemical change like pH, the hydrogen bonds will disturb and it becomes uncoiled. So we'll get here like this structure. This is called as a denatured protein. During denaturation process, only secondary and tertiary structures will be destroyed because the secondary and tertiary structures contain hydrogen bonding. So when applying the heat or chemical change, the hydrogen bonds will be destroyed. So because of that, the secondary and tertiary structures will be destroyed, but primary structure remains intact. So one of the best example denaturation of proteins is the coagulation of egg white. On boiling the egg, it becomes denatured. See in this diagram, the proteins mainly contains four different types of structures: primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, and quaternary structure. During denaturation process, only primary structures intact, remaining structures will be destroyed. That means actually remaining structures contains hydrogen bondings. So because of the hydrogen bonding breaking, it becomes primary structures. So finally we will get only primary structure. So remaining structures will be uncoiled. They becomes primary structure. This is about the denaturation of the proteins. In next class we will discuss about the nucleic acids. Thank you.